Okay, so this video is going to show you the questions that you saw on your benchmark. So this is a reteach for conversion, so make sure you're taking notes so you could be able to take your retest and improve your grade. This is the one question that you had for conversions on your test. So it was number 10, and it says Mia is using a recipe that will make 4 quarts of chicken soup. How many pints of soup is Mia making? So we have our conversion table here, the reference material, and all you have to do is remember that if you're going from the top to bottom, you're going to multiply. If you're going from the bottom to the top, you're going to divide. So since they're going from quarts to pints, so I have quarts to pints, that means that I'm going to go from the top to the bottom, which is multiplication. So all I have to do is multiply 4 times 2, which gives us 8. So that means there is 8 pints in the soup. So there's 8 pints of soup actually. So when you're working with conversions, make sure that you understand that and that you're working through them all and that you're answering all the questions. So this is the only question you had on your test. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and go to the retest and do the questions, the 2 questions that you have, and hopefully it'll improve your grade.